Hello everyone, I hope you are having a great day. Today I'm tackling a project that's been at the top of my to-do list since we moved into our new house, organizing the kitchen. I would like to begin by improving how I store bulk items because the current arrangement is not working well for me. I want to make the organization not only convenient but also aesthetically pleasing. To create a visual interest, I've chosen storage containers in various sizes and shapes. In our fast-paced world, the daily responsibilities can be overwhelming. Household chores are commonly seen as tasks both time-consuming and draining. However, changing our perspective can completely transform how we approach these tasks. I firmly believe that keeping a tidy home is essential for creating a sense of order and peace in our lives, especially when you spend most of your time at home. When we keep our surroundings neat and attractive, everyday tasks become enjoyable. It's about more than just getting things done. It's about enjoying the process of making our spaces look nice and organized. For me, having a tidy home isn't just about appearances. It's like creating a calm and peaceful oasis in the middle of hectic lives. It's a place where I can find some quiet and order even in the smallest of the tasks. For me, being organized isn't just about cleaning up. It's about establishing systems that simplify my life. There is a saying, a clean home results in a clear mind, and I really connect with this philosophy. When our surroundings look good, even simple tasks become more enjoyable. Living in a well-organized space feels right because it helps us think more clearly and feel better. Effective home organization includes decluttering and assigning specific places for our belongings. Imagine walking into a clutter-free, well-organized home. The immediate sense of calm and peace is undeniable. Then everything has its place. Finding what you need becomes a breeze. I'm sure you would agree that cooking in a well-organized kitchen is far more enjoyable. It's not about just keeping things in order. It's about making our everyday lives a little bit brighter. As for me, the importance of organization goes beyond simple functionality. It extends into the realm of aesthetics and creates a visually pleasing environment. Having a beautifully organized space adds an extra layer of joy and satisfaction to my daily routines. Let's give our homes a little upgrade. Join me in organizing with a touch of style. We will make tidying up a simple joy, adding some flair to our daily routines. I hope you found some inspiration in today's video. Remember, organization doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small, focus on what works for you, and enjoy the process of creating a space that brings you joy. Wishing you all the best and see you next time!